Hi, and welcome to our presentation on how easy it is to use simple applications to find security flaws on web applications. The journey. I'm going to do a quick introduction on our demonstrations and why we're doing this, the code, the web application we're going to use, the exploit tool, the software we're going to use to do the attack, and then we're going to do a live demo of the attack, and then finally the security policy, how to protect yourself from these attacks. Introduction. So for our assignment 1 in our BTN 710 class, we are required to find a system or application to identify security flaws in the program by testing and attacking the system application and analyzing the holes in the application. So the code we are using is a web application that I created for one of my web classes. It is powered by Angular 4 and connected to the Mongo database, and it is hosted on Heroku. So let me show you so it's a team editor app, and we use get and post to add data to the database. When making this website, we did not analyze the security of the website. We were more focused on the website application working specified. We realized that there were many important security leaks in the application we created, so that's why we're using this as an example for our website. And again, it's very important to understand that you would need permission to attack a website. So do not go on any random website and start attacking it. This is my own website created by me and pushed by me. So let me take you through the quick website. So there's team list. So this is going to fetch data from the Mongo database. Let me just refresh it. Here you go. So here's team list. You can pick Manchester United. You can edit the team. You can create a new leader. You can actually create a brand new team. And yeah, so as you can tell, this application is perfect because there's a lot of data involved in this application.
My name is Musa Arbashwa, and today I'll be demonstrating to you how we use the ZAP application to test our Heroku deployed website. So my partner Waji already went over on how our website works. I'll be going over how we use the application ZAP to test vulnerabilities in our website. So ZAP is a security project, open source security project that is used to test security vulnerabilities in web applications. For more information on that, you can follow this GitHub link, and it has great links, especially for beginners on getting started, and some other features as well. So when you download and install the app for the first time, you'll be greeted with the screen over here. Under the Quick Start tab, you'll go to Automated Scan, and you'll enter in the URL that you want to attack, and simply click attack. Now this will take, depending on how big your web application or how small it is, it'll either take between 5 to 10 minutes, but in our case we have a really small web application, so it was done in less than 30 seconds. Over here, you'll be greeted with the alerts tab that range from low, medium, high, and we'll be looking at the medium alerts in this case. We'll be looking at this specific alert. So, the great thing about this application is that it gives you the vulnerability, the description of the vulnerability, and the solution to it as well. So, the description in this case is an X-frames options header is not included in the HTTP response to protect against clickjacking attacks. So you might be asking what clickjacking attacks are, and how would you protect against clickjacking? Clickjacking attacks trick web users into performing an action that they did not intend, typically by rendering an invisible page element on the top of the action the user thinks they are performing. So, the application found that there's vulnerability to this type of attack. And in order to protect against this type of attack, we need to include a security policy header. which will be found at the top of the HTML file. And this website shows you on how to include it and where to include it in your HTML file. So that was just a quick demonstration on how to use the application ZAP to test security vulnerabilities in your web application. A very great tool and very easy to use, as well as there's no command line interface. There's a very nice GUI interface and it's constantly updated. I would recommend this tool for anybody looking to get started on testing their web application for security vulnerabilities and have no idea where to start. This marks the end of our video presentation. Thank you for listening.